Hi guys, it's Shimei, so I hope you're having a good day. So these two pages that I'm actually going to do together, I'm going to use the same materials, and it's amazing. People think that you need a ton of materials in order to art journal, but you can make things look so different just by the order in which you apply different art materials. So I'm going to be using paint, paper, and just like a paper that I use to like wipe up like watercolors, I think, and inks, and a little bit of like paint splatters, and I'm also going to just use a pen, and you're going to see just how dramatically different these pages are. So I hope that you have a wonderful day and that you're having a great time creating. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you to not let yourself be limited by having all the latest supplies, but just to know that you need a few things in order to create beautiful art journal spreads. Thank you.
There's so many things that I remember. The way you used to put me first in things you did. Haven't seen your face since last November. I keep following up, but we ran out of time. Looking back, our love seems like a daydream. Even now I visit every single place we've been. All the time we spent together changed me. I stay high on the days before we said goodbye. I'm regretting these feels I feel for you. Asking why did we fall from love? I get high off the time of us. You were all the things I ever needed. Then I couldn't see it and we faded away. They say what happens, happens for a reason. Then why am I stuck without you by my side? I get high just thinking about our memories. And even though it ended, it was worth each pain. The love we had will last 100 centuries. You were special to me, I keep you tucked inside. No regretting these feels I feel for you. I'm asking why did we fall from love? And I get high off the time of us. You do to me what I know I do to you. Let's get high on love. You do to me what I know I do to you. Let's get high on love. Asking why did we fall from love? And I get high off the time of us. Asking why did we fall from love? And I get high, I get high, baby, off the time of us. decided to come home and make a change. Still you drift away now and then. Guess you feel some type of way about it. You are the one that I want. No, I can never leave you alone. I won't make the same mistake. I won't slip anymore. Just I and you. Only you in my love. It's you, girl, it's you. It's just you in my